CloudPeeps is a platform that allows content creators and influencers to monetize their social media presence by promoting products and services from various brands. It's a type of affiliate marketing platform that connects creators with brands, enabling them to earn commissions by promoting products to their audience. Things to know before starting with CloudPeeps in 2024. 1. Eligibility. CloudPeeps is open to content creators with a minimum of 1,000 followers on Instagram or TikTok. Number 2. Commission structure. Creators earn a commission for each sale made through their unique referral link. 3. Brand selection. CloudPeeps partners with various brands across different niches, ensuring a diverse range of products and services to promote. 4. Content creation. Creators need to produce high-quality content that resonates with their audience and aligns with the brand's messaging. 5. Audience engagement. Building a strong relationship with your audience is crucial for successful promotions and earning commissions. 6. Disclosure requirements. Creators must comply with FTC guidelines on sponsored content and disclose sponsored posts clearly. 7. Competition. With many creators on the platform, it's essential to differentiate yourself and stand out in your niche. 8. Payment terms. CloudPeeps typically pays out commissions on a monthly basis, but creators may need to meet minimum payout thresholds. Number 9. Platform fees. CloudPeeps charges a small fee for each sale made through the platform, which is deducted from the creator's earnings. 10. Marketing and promotion. Successful creators will need to invest time and effort in promoting their own brand and content, as well as leveraging CloudPeeps resources.